The first time that I was introduced to tapping was through a friend who had been using the emotional freedom technique for about 11 years. And he asked a small group of us if we would like to come together to learn how to tap and to witness the potential that the tapping had to improve the quality of our state of being, our life. So the one person that volunteered was somebody who had had a pretty big trauma in their history and had been living with that, getting triggered and re-experiencing that trauma for decades. So it was fascinating to watch the transformation that occurred in her while we were all sitting together doing the tapping. And then I remember seeing her days later, and her life was really completely changed by that experience. And what it taught me was that we have this power to heal that's inside of us. And tapping is like the Morse code that speaks to this healing power. And I started down a path at that point to learn EFT first for myself. And then I took many courses and moved through all of the levels that were available. So I'm Stephanie. I am a master level EFT practitioner. And today I would like to just show you the points to show you how we do EFT. And I'm going to keep it very short. I'll make another video where we actually go through a session together. But for today, I'm just going to show you the points, okay? So the first point is what I call the side of hand point, and some people call the karate chop point, or you might see some visual aids where this is called the karate chop point, okay? So we start tapping here, and here we do acknowledge what it is that we're focused on. And then we rate it. What feeling we're having that feels uncomfortable, that does not feel good, that actually steals energy from us and steals our power. We're not going to go through that today. We're just going to identify the points so I can show you how to tap, okay? We start with side of hand, and then we go to this point, which is the eyebrow point. And then this point is called side of eye. And we want to tap with enough pressure where there's communication between the tapping and the autonomic nervous system, but we don't want to tap in a way that would bruise us or hurt, but with enough force that we are giving information to the system. And these points are specific endpoints to meridians. Okay, which is the energy pathways that travel all throughout our body. And these actually can be measured with something called a voltmeter that measures energy in microvolts. Okay, this is the chin point. It's right here where the crease is. And then we have the collarbone point, which is down from the middle, or I'm sorry, off the side from the middle. And here's your collarbone. You come down about an inch and a little bit of an angle out from the middle. Okay. And then the next point is the underarm point. And that's about 4 inches below the armpit. And for a woman, it would be where the bra strap is. And at this point, I would do all of the finger points. But for this video, we're going to keep it at the most basic level. And I would end at the top of the head. So you just go up from your ears to the middle, and you're tapping on the top of your head. And those are the points. And that's how to tap. The next video will be how to tap on those points and bring up a feeling that is uncomfortable, that you absolutely know when you're feeling that way that you are far away from where you want to be. And so that feeling is actually contracting your being as opposed to, living in that state of feeling creative and inspired and aligned. And, when you feel that, it feels really free, it feels really good, and we actually have more energy in our system when we're feeling those types of feelings. So EFT, the emotional freedom technique, is something that is a beautiful tool to speak to our autonomic nervous system and help to release emotions that aren't serving us, that might be there because they are old beliefs or limiting beliefs, and the old beliefs are no longer true. So it's beautiful to bring them up and be able to release them and be able to move into what your purpose is, which is to bring love ultimately and to experience joy. If you like this video, I would love if you would like and subscribe below, and I will be offering more videos and look forward to seeing you there. If you would like to reach out and do a one-on-one session or just get some more information, I would love to talk with you, and that information is on my YouTube channel. Thanks so much, and I look forward to seeing you again. Enjoy your day.